Hey guys, if you have a Chrysler 200 and you would like to upgrade to an 8.4, or like you like already have the 8.4 but you will like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but you do want an OEM, so like this is the option. So like normally these come with the 8.4, which were the older version, which they don't had CarPlay or Android Auto. So like what we did, we like installed a newer version which comes now in 2022. So like what it does, it just like plugs right in. You have to install nothing new, no harness, nothing. You can install this, so you have a completely different layout compared to the old one, and then and then and then like you like still get your like same controls, your heated and your vented seats. But in order to make the CarPlay work, you have to do this thing. So right here you have your original USB port. What you have to do is you have to install in a harness over here, and you have to install on a different port. So this is right now is just like this is just like temporary until we get the new port which we had ordered, which will fit right in here. So once you have this, without this the CarPlay won't work. So you will need this. So now we can like plug in our phone, and then I'll show you to like the Apple CarPlay works. So now here I have it plugged in. We're gonna plug it into our phone over here. So here you go. We have the Apple CarPlay logo just popped up over here. And now, as you can see, this also turned into CarPlay logo. And then if this was an Android phone, it should turn into Android Auto. So now we're going to press on it. There you go. So now you have full Apple CarPlay and Android Auto inside an older vehicle. And guys, if you guys need this display, the harness, anything, just like let me know. Also, like check my link down below, where we do sell all the parts. If you also need it for a Dodge Ram and a Jeep Wagoner, like any vehicle, just like call me, or just like text me, or just like click on the link below to like get all the information that you need. Thank you so much. Have a great day, and then please do like and subscribe to the video.